How you doing? My name is Evan, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can gain trust in order to start your social media marketing agency.
My name is Evan, and you're listening to Block E.
And once again, my name is Evan Gilbert, and if you don't know who I am, please hit that lovely subscribe button. I do entrepreneurship videos and different topics and interview videos every single few days or day, depending on the week and time that you're seeing this video. So here's 3 tips on how you can start gaining trust for your own social media marketing agency. Number 1 is find a job or go to school. And what do I mean by that? I did both of these processes. So I went to school for broadcasting, and in that I learned a lot about social media marketing, and this was only in 2015 and 2016. I believe 2017 I graduated from broadcasting school, and I got to develop my skills in a safe environment. Not really safe, like it's never safe in social media if you've ever been on it. Gotcha, bitch. But it was developed in a good setting that we can run a radio station's social media. So that includes Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. You got to be able to run all of that and see the process that it takes in order to run a social media channel for a radio station, which is very similar to how most people should be running their social media channels anyway. So after school, I got a job working for one of the big media corporations up here in Canada, and I was able to transfer those skills that I learned in school and apply them for the work at the radio station, and being able to do social media for a few of the stations that I was working with. And it was an excellent experience. There's a lot more people that were involved in that whole process, and a lot more eyeballs need to be seen on content before it was released. But it was definitely a great experience, and it's something that I do recommend having that on your resume, both going to school for social media marketing or going there and you're able to take over a social media channel and then applying those skills in a job. Having both of those on your resume, I highly recommend that you do that in order to gain trust in social media marketing. The second step that I would recommend if you're trying to gain trust in social media marketing was to ask a friend. So a friend of yours might want to up their social media game. They may not want to take the time and do it themselves, or they're busy. Either they're in school or they're working full time. Just ask them, and especially if they have a business or they have a side business or they have a social media channel, and just ask them, hey, can I take over, not even take over, but can I help you out with your channel or your media outlet in exchange for a testimonial, for example? Because friends will be able to do testimonials, and then as soon as you get more of those clients, and then your friends can see that you're trustworthy with their social media channel, they see that they're getting more followers, more likes, more subscribers, then they're going to recommend you to other people. Because people with high status social media channels, they tend to hang out with each other a lot of the time, because there's a lot of cross branding and a lot of a lot of cross channel promotional stuff as well. So that would be my second recommendation, would be just to go after friends and see if they need help with their social media networks. And the third tip that I'm going to give in order to gain trust in building your social media marketing agency is something I touched on a little bit in the second tip, and that is to work for free in exchange for testimonials. So you can go after businesses or go after different institutions and ask them to take over their social media channels for absolutely free. So that way you're able to gain the experience of manning a social media channel, even though it might be volunteering, but in the long run, it's going to work out, because you're going to get that precious testimonial. The more testimonials that you have within either a niche or within a certain market that you're targeting, the better opportunity of getting paid you will have. So I can't stress that enough. Testimonials will work wonders if you want to grow your social media marketing agency. So there you have it. Those are 3 different tips on how you can gain trust with your social media marketing agency if you're just getting started. Once again, my name is Evan Gilbert, and I do little tidbit little entrepreneurship videos every so often. Usually twice a week or 3 times a week, depending on the week, depending when you catch me. I'm a busy guy sometimes. I shouldn't say that. I'm hanging out in my room right now on a Friday night. But anyway, if you enjoyed this content, please hit that subscribe button, and you guys can follow me on Instagram at @thegilbygilbs, and I will catch you in the next video.